Good morning, everyone. My name is Revanzo Tapiana Supriman, and my two friends, Joseph Koropitan and Muhammad Gazi Aska. Here we will present IoT networking in restaurant. Main topic in presentation. Point one, system summary. Next point, picture of building. Next point, topology. Next point, IP address. Next point, IoT configuration. Next point, output. And second point, IoT component. This project describe how to use Cisco Packet Tracker. Cisco Packet Tracker. Tracker is a cross-platform visual simulation tool designed by Cisco system that allow users to create network topologies and emulate modern computer network. This software allows users to simulate the configuration of Cisco router and switch using a simulate command line interface. In the Packet Tracker makes IoT network designed by connecting with intermediary network device. In this project, we will try to create an IoT network in a restaurant. Okay, in the restaurant, we have 7 rooms, namely 2 exit room, main or groom room, VIP room, kitchen room, private room, and admin room.
Okay, the next is the topology of our project. In this project, our goal is to need one PC for each room, which will be connected to one server, but between these PCs are connected to switch, router, this DSL modem, and cloud before going to the server. Then the way to configure it is to connect each one between the PC to the switch, and so on using the appropriate cable, like this. Then assign each an IP address, starting with the router. We click the router, but keep in mind we have to pay attention to the fast Ethernet or the arrow. We look the arrow this before the configuration to the route. Then the IoT configuration. First, we connect all the tools like window, like light, like door with the cable. Then also connect the IoT device by click the home gateway, this, and we change the wireless and adjust it to the IoT tool. Then match the IoT device with the one on the home gateway, such as the password and so on. Then also connect the laptop with the home gateway by the configure the one connected to the router, such as entering the IP address. Then configure the IoT tools. Then we enter the IoT monitor on the laptop and the smartphone and enter it all. After that, we try the IoT tool. Next. This is the list of IP address, like the DNS server, IoT server, CO server, cell tower, cashier server, smartphone, and the other until Bluetooth speaker. Next. And then IoT configuration. In this configuration, we make IoT implementation in restaurant. In this restaurant, we had 7 rooms, which is 2 out rooms, main or basic room, VIP room, kitchen room, private room, and admin room. First, we prepare hardware device such as the DLC 100 home gateway, 29 11 router and switch. Then we connect the device with the appropriate cable, and then we configure the home gateway so that it can be connected to IoT device. After that, also configure the IoT device to connect to the home gateway by pressing the IoT device, then pressing advanced, then looking at the IO config. Then we connect the laptop to home gateway. And then we configure what the router is connected to. First, enter the router IP first, like gig 00, gig 01, and gig 02. Next, give the backbone IP to the central office, enter the CLI on the router, and we change the config such as IP, DHCL, full cell, and so on. Then give IP to the home gateway. After that, configure the DNS server and IoT server. Then we configure the IoT tools. Next, we enter the laptop, then click IoT monitor and enter the IoT address, user, and password. Then we check on the IoT monitor and we try one by one. After that, we monitor the connect smartphone, then we configure it to the IoT device. We can also connect it to the web.
This is the IoT server. In the gateway DNS IP v4, we use the static to setting the default gateway and DNS server. And for the gateway DNS IP v6, we use static 2. Next slide. And for the DNS server, we use the static for the gateway DNS IP4 and static to gateway DNS IP v6. Next slide, please. For the central office center, we use the DHCP for the IP configuration, and for the IPv6 configuration, we use static for setting the link local address. Next slide. Output. This is an example for the using IoT device. For this case, our restaurant, we use the smart lamp, smart window, and smart AC. That all connected via wireless to the home gateway. For the protecting the restaurant for fire, we use the fire monitor with fire sprinkler as the action. And for the device, to connect via remote server to the ISP IoT server. Meanwhile, the fire monitor and fire sprinkler connected to the restaurant MCU, and from the each node MCU connected to single node MCU and to the single siren, just like in the image before. Next slide. This is our compound. In my group for this project, we have 20 compound, like smartphone, cell tower, central server, and the other. Next slide, please.
Okay, maybe that's all the presentation material from our group. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you so much.